recommended you guys when we were starting to come out and we got stuck.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, looks like you're gonna get to meet Matt. And I was like, oh yeah?
I'm excited because yesterday we got the Banana running and today we get to test drive it. And I've also got something else I want to show you. Insta360 has sent us their brand new X5 action camera. I haven't even seen it yet. We're gonna open it up and see what we got here. We've been using Insta360 cameras for a while now, and this new X5 promises to be a huge upgrade to their already existing awesome product line. With dual replacement lenses, now when you damage the camera, it's not so devastating. Here's the sweet situation with this camera. It's got two lenses, and somehow they're able to see sideways, actually 360 degrees. What's cool about that is you can be filming over here, and you can catch footage over here if you want to. Okay, we're gonna get these mounted up, and we're gonna test it out while we're testing out the Banana. Efficiency. Load up. Load up. This has a 360 degree camera that captures every single angle, so you'll never miss a shot. They got some kind of science that makes this selfie stick invisible. It's cool because it's like having your own personal butler drone. Look how rough this road is, and look how smooth this camera is. Stabilization is top tier. What's great is now I can focus on the job instead of worrying about whether or not my camera guys are gonna catch the shot. Rudy, we are so close to Bigfoot. I can sense it. There he is! Look, right there! Look at him! Oh my goodness! Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Huh? The X5 will even survive a trip into the unknown. Peanut, head into the unknown. Let's go. We've tried other Peanut cams in the past and it's just never worked out. But this seems to be working amazing. All right, the Banana is back online and I can prove it because we caught every second, every angle on the Insta360 X5. This camera is really cool and I really love the results from this camera. I don't geek out on technical stuff, but Insta360 wants me to tell you about all of its features. So you're gonna watch me step out of my normal way of describing things, and I'm gonna do it the way Insta360 wants me to do, and I apologize for that. And so should you. The first 50 people that use our affiliate link, which is right here in the description, will get a free lens replacement kit. That's pretty awesome, especially if you're out there catching hardcore action in off-road outdoor environments. If something bad should happen, you can get it fixed right now and get back to filming awesome content. That's a $30 value.
With the Insta360 app, I can go in and reframe every shot I get. You can even use your phone's gyro to get all the way around the vehicle. So if I don't even want to look at the Banana, I don't have to. There's also Deep Track that allows you to track any moving object. I'm watching Rudy's every move right now.
And word on the wire is they're gonna be doing some pretty awesome promo stuff on Amazon Prime Day deals, so check them out on Amazon. And now we're gonna go back to filming with this.
So we got a call for a Dodge that's stuck out of San Hallow, and we're gonna go get them out.
It is a spicy one out today. It's like probably what, 100 degrees out, 90s, high 90s.
So today we're using the Insta360 X5 camera entirely on this job, and we're gonna see how it goes.
So while Colby was talking to the camera, you could also see me, and I was in front of the camera. Wild stuff. Technology, baby, 2025.
We'll get them out.
That's what we're going to get.
Hey, a little Dodge pickup. Nice.
That's him. He's up on top of that dude. You can
Hey,
see
he's
him.
right there.
Yep, that's him.
Let's go get him. I hope these guys got water. If not, we'll hook them up.
Few people here, huh?
Yep. We got the Rhino line ram.
All right, so you guys are just stuck. Is there anything wrong up there?
Yeah, we saw the hood popped. We got a little worried.
No, I just did that, and there's been people in razors running around. Nobody came to see if they could help.
Okay.
But
Pretty easy job. I'm just gonna put the
I didn't
tow
know
point
my
in the
four-wheel
back.
drive wasn't working.
Pull it out.
Colby, did we get all the way up here in two-wheel drive?
Yep.
I figured so.
You know, just to save me for later, or just so I don't have to do it later, we'll lock those in.
Good call.
Here, Jake. Go throw that in there. Did you guys come in from this way?
Oh, we came up and went up to the top of the world.
Okay.
Flintstone house.
Alrighty.
So I'm going to go out this way.
Okay. Oh yeah, there's a road for that. Perfect, yeah. Okay, Jake, let's get you in this. Just drive straight back till we get to a flat spot and then we can unhook. See if you can move it.
Alright.
Okay. Just put it in reverse, probably no gas.
Okay. Oh, this thing's clean. Yeah, this is a cool rig. I really like the paint job.
Headlight.
Yeah. Built for battle.
Go.
All right, Colin, ready when you are.
Don't stop. Beautiful. Little tiny pole and it's out.
Well, that wasn't too bad.
Okay, who gets the shirt?
Yeah, whose rig is this? That's yours?
That's you.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Thank you. We'll get them out.
12 seconds later.
Uh-oh. Back up. All right, they're on their way. They're gonna head out through the desert side. We're gonna head out through the sand side, go home and go back to doing what we were doing.
On to the next job.
We got a call for a car that is stuck on the beach at Sand Hollow, and we're gonna go get them out.
It's a beautiful 103 degrees, no cloud in the sky. We're probably gonna get them out. We will get them out.
Hey guys. One of these days I'm gonna bring my swim shorts and go jump in that lake. It looks quite inviting.
All right, Colby put this in my camera kit, and he said I should try to use it. Insta360 X5.
Fancy that.
The best way to go is down that way.
Yep.
We're here to help you.
Perfect. Here, where's the keys? Are the keys in it?
Yeah.
Colin, you're right. We're kicking it old school.
We are. Sand recoveries.
As I like to call standard issue.
Let's see here. Is there a eye of recovery on this. It's down underneath. Right there.
Oh man.
That is way under there.
Is that an actual recovery point?
Yep.
I'm surprised with these new cars.
There's a recovery spot way under there, so I'm just gonna wrap around the axle. When I pull you, we're just gonna go out that way.
Yep.
And then up the road, and we'll come back.
We'll park right behind that van.
Yep.
So let me guess, you guys, you're out here having some fun, and then you went to leave and got stuck in the sand.
Pretty much, yep.
Yeah, Sand Hollow does that to you. But yeah, it should be pretty quick. Like, they'll just give you a quick bump, pull you out, and then they'll probably pull you up to the road where you don't get stuck again.
Perfect.
So, all right,
Awesome.
we'll get you out.
There we go. Just gotta make sure the sheath is in a good spot. All right, let's knock off the sand.
Yeah, you ready?
Yep.
I'm just gonna pull you out. I'm not gonna bump you or anything. Follow me.
Well, looks like we got a new car. Also, it was a Subaru.
It smells nice in here.
It smells nice.
There's some guys down at the beach that actually recommended you guys when we were starting to come out and we got stuck.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, looks like you're going to get to meet Matt. And I was like, oh, yeah? And I just Googled it real fast.
Awesome.
Well, thank you.
You said large.
Yeah.
Here you go, brother.
Awesome. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. Thanks so
Have
much.
a good one, guys.
All right, guys.
It's like a blow dryer out there, that hot wind, and it's a little bit, it's like you're getting sandblasted while blow dried, you know?
That is true. It is pretty warm out there, but we're gonna cruise along the beach, see if anybody else needs help. And if not, we'll just cruise on out of here. Okay, we checked the beach, nobody was stuck on there, so we ended up just coming back to the shop. Job very well done, I feel like.
It was back to our roots.
Standard issue.
Thanks for watching.